Hello everybody, today at Bob's Watches we're introducing a pre-owned Rolex Sky-Dweller 326934. This watch contains a random serial number that was produced around 2014 or later. The characteristics include a stainless steel bracelet with a folding Oysterlock clasp. The dial is white with luminescent hands and index hour markers with the date, month, and GMT second time zone, and a month display via 12 apertures around the circumference of the dial. The case is 42mm stainless steel with an 18-karat white gold fluted ring command bezel as well as an automatic 9001 movement. The Sky-Dweller comes with a Rolex box, booklets, hang tags, and a Rolex warranty card dated August 2018. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the box in this video or by searching for Bob's Watches 326934 in Google. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos.